Celebrating 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm here with Brad from BASF. Have you ever turned a liquid into a solid just by tapping on it? We're going to show you how. You'll need cornstarch, water, a bowl for mixing, and newspaper.
Let's put newspaper down to keep the kitchen clean. Add a half cup of dry cornstarch to the bowl. Then we'll add a quarter cup of water to the bowl and mix slowly till the mixture is wet and liquid.
When you tap on the mixture, it acts like a solid. When putting pressure on it, it stays hard. Now softly scoop it up with your hand and it acts like a liquid.
Why does the mixture behave like this? Learn more about viscosity and non-Newtonian mixtures like this one.
Like why shaking your ketchup makes it come out of the bottle faster. Check us out at abc11.com/Science Club for details and other cool experiments you can do at home. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.
Celebrating 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.